can see, this is the size difference. German number plate, and that's a small one. There's also a bigger one versus the one here in the Emirates. Now I have to take this thing off, and then let's see how we're gonna fit it. As you can see, this is the German number plate, which fits exactly here. And when you see this one, this is quite small, so most likely I need to cut that and then mount it directly, because other than that I don't have any chance. Well, it is what it is. Look how small it is. Now the only thing is here, I want to have a cat eye, so this I'm gonna be installing. Not sure, maybe I have one of these, blinking cat eyes where when you put the brake it blinks, just for safety reasons. But thank you for watching, and soon I'm gonna release the whole video regarding Carnet de Passage, regarding changing the registration, what I had to do, what challenges I faced. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and see you soon. I'm Nicolai, your spokewanderer. Ciao for now.